Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, волшебная лошадь. Часть первая, страница 106, 107, 108. English, Starlight 3, Magic Horse, Homework, part number 1, page number 106, 107, 108. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 106. 106. Сивка-бурка. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Послушайте, покажите на картинке и произнесите слова. Saddle, reins. Wake up, follow. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Иванушка feels very frightened. He opens his mouth, ready to shout to his brothers. Then he sees a big, beautiful brown horse running into the field. Иванушка looks at the horse with his mouth still open. The horse has got a golden saddle and silver reins. It looks like a magic horse. It starts to eat the wheat, and Ivanushka walks quietly up to it and grabs the reins. "Aha, I've got you," he cries. "Oh, please let me go," says the horse. "I can be your friend. If you ever need my help, just call me 3 times. Say, Сивка-бурка, come." Ivanushka feels sorry for the horse and lets him go. But he does not tell his brothers about the horse. When they wake up, Ivanushka is looking up at the morning sun. "Let's go home now," says Andrei. "What a boring night," says Sergei. Ivanushka follows his brothers home, smiling to himself. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 107. 107. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and complete the sentences. Прочтите историю еще раз и завершите предложение. The answer. Ivanushka feels very frightened. He sees a big, beautiful brown horse running into the field. The horse has got a golden saddle and silver reins. It starts to eat the wheat. Ivanushka walks quietly up to it and grabs at the reins. He feels sorry for the horse and lets the horse go. The next morning, they wake up and go home. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Now use the sentences to give a summary of the story. Теперь используйте предложения, чтобы кратко изложить историю. The answer. Ivanushka feels very frightened. He sees a big, beautiful brown horse running into the field. The horse has got a golden saddle and silver reins. It starts to eat the wheat. Ivanushka walks quietly up to it and grabs the reins. He feels sorry for the horse and lets the horse go. The next morning, they wake up and go home. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. Magic horse, please come out tonight. Come out tonight. Come out tonight. Magic horse, please come out tonight. Dance by the light of the moon. Golden saddle, silver reins. Magic horse, magic horse. Golden saddle, silver reins. Shine in the light of the moon. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. И tin, bin, big, sing, trick, swing. The Tin Man is sad. He can't swim. What's the matter? asked Jill. I can't swim, says the Tin Man. I've got an idea, says Jill. Come with me. So the Tin Man follows Jill. Look, a big bin, says Jill. You can learn to swim in this big bin. A. Sail, tail, fail, wait, whale, face. This is Jane. Jane likes to sail. Look, whose tail is this? Ah, yes, it's Miss Whale's. Hello, Jane, says Miss Whale. Let's set sail. I, fly, sky, ride, like, kite, white, climb, night. Mike is a white kite. He is alone in the sky. One day, Mike sees a bike. Hello, says Mike. Hi, says the bike. Can you ride a bike? No, says Mike. Can you fly? No, says the bike. But I can climb. So the bike climbs up the hill. Now, Mike isn't alone. He's got a friend. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the words. Закончите слова. The answer. Tree, well, kite. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Sing. Спойте. The big whale swims at night. Its tail is like a snail. It likes to sing when the tide is high. and the moon is white and pale. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.